Phone IPSW here. I am going to be doing an update on my, it's about a month old video. If you haven't seen it already, go check it out. The link will be in the description, but it was about Minecraft running off iPhone. That video was proof that it actually can, but you have to port forward off your iPhone in order to do that, which is not currently possible to my knowledge. But I do know that apps can port forward. I not know for sure, but I did hear, I've been reading, that if you design an app, there's an app that you can design you could basically make an app that runs the Minecraft server. But, or that port forwards, the port 25565. Anyway, let's get started. This video will be showing you how to make the server to the point that I got to in the previous version, which was, it started that everything except for like download the files and all that, but it did work though. Alright, so first of all we need to go over to Cydia. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to want to go to search for mobile terminal. It's from the Big Boss repo, as you can see right here. Anyway, it is mobile terminal. It should be updated at 5.1.1. If it's not, then you are going to have to download it the old-fashioned way from some third-party website or something like that actually has a patch for it. Before, when I was doing the video, I had to do that, but now it seems as if this has started working or something like that. Alright, the other thing you're going to need is, you will need Safari Download Manager or an app that allows you to download files. See, I have this Safari Download Manager installed from the Xms512M repo. You can get it from the, Insanely, you can get it from, let's see what else. You can get it, Safari Download Enabler. This also works, I believe, from Big Boss, so you can just download one of those if you don't want to have to use an app. I believe these allow you to choose the location. I know Safari Download Manager does choose the location of which the file downloads to, but, yeah, once you're done getting your download program or thing, you're going to need to download a Java, you're going to need to install this Java program. First of all, you'd have to go to Manage, Settings, and change who you are to Developer, if I haven't shown that already, and, which I believe I haven't, but anyway, you're going to need to download it now. I already have, so it's not going to do me any good to modify or do anything. So, now what you're going to need to do is you need to go over to Safari, and you're going to need to go to dl.bukkit.org. Once you're there, it's going to give you the option to download the recommended build, which the latest version I have is 1.2.5. Version R4. It will take a few minutes to download. For me it did, but yeah, so after you download it, you're going to need to put it in the mobile folder, as shown here in this folder. Mine is in this MinecraftServer folder. Can delete these anyway, but you can allow it to place in this folder because you're going to need it in this in the mobile. So now after you've done that, you're going to need to go into Documents. You don't really have to do this part, but it's preferred if you want to clean things up. Go into Documents, then make sure there's nothing in this folder, and if there is, then find a folder that doesn't have anything in it, then copy it and paste it into the mobile and rename it MinecraftServer as shown here. Then cut and paste the craftbucket.jar inside the MinecraftServer folder you just made. After that, you're going to need to go into terminal, and you're going to need to type in this. I'm going to make these shortcuts real quick so I don't have to do this. You need to type in, let's see, what should I name it? Alright, there we go. You're going to type in var/mobile/MinecraftServer. Alright, so now these, I'll put this in the description. This is going to be the second startup file. It will basically, this is the command or code or whatever you want to call it, that will basically start the server. First of all, you're going to want to make sure that you are in the mobile folder. As you can see here, it is in the mobile folder, but if it isn't, just type in log in. Then you're going to want to type in mobile. Then if you if you already have mobile terminal and you've already changed your password and all this, then type in the password you change it to, but make sure the login name is mobile. For me, it's Alpine, but that's going to be changed after the video for security purposes. Anyway, it's Alpine is default. It's ALPINE. It's not going to show up on the screen, but it is there. Then hit return. After you hit return, you should be in the mobile folder, but I already was, so it didn't really change anything. After you do that, you're going to want to put in the locate, because you're going to have to navigate the way to the Minecraft server folder, and you do not put the CD right next to it. So it's going to be, let's hit that, it's not going to do anything. And then we go back, and now that it's fixed, it's going to be in the Minecraft server folder. Once you're in there, you're basically in the folder with a different file system, but it's not like iFile. It's like a different way of doing things. It's basically like iFile, but it's not. Once you're in there, you're going to want to basically activate the craftbucket.jar, which you're going to want to put this code right here in there. This allows the Java VM, the Jam VM, I should say, to actually take effect. It does work, but you can see here, it's not going to work properly. It boots up. It takes a little bit for it to actually start loading, but once it does load, you will see it loads the achievements and crafting recipes. Yeah, right there. And other stuff, but it says not enough RAM, and it says launch it as 1024M, which is MB, or you could just do 1G and replace the M with the G, like I said. Perhaps it's running on another port, which that's impossible because the iPhone does not support port forwarding, sadly. Again, if you want to, please make a video response to this, showing how you proceeded with this and actually got it to run, if you can actually get it to run. If you can get it to actually run and make a video on how to run this, and it actually starts running, I can make a video on how to allow players to join and do all that. So now what I was thinking before is that you could send, I could send an email to Bucket, asking them if they could disable the port forwarding word. It asks for port forwarding. It will be a local LAN server, but I am sure in the future that there will be a public way of doing it, such as port forwarding or something similar to it. Before I leave, I'm going to note that you must type a random letter, then return, then type another random letter, then return, so it can stop the Minecraft server. If you do not stop it and you just hit the home button, it will crash the springboard and your device will respring. which I'm sure that's not good. Once you've exited out of all this, then you can just hit the home button and you're done. This is pretty much it, and thanks for watching. This was iPhone, or phone IPSW. Jeez, I don't even know my own name. This is Banana Bob. Thanks for watching.